Hi guys, so I'm much older now from my first video. I was so young then. So yeah, I have another special guest with me today. And so make sure to go follow my Instagram account, Lila Bush, and yeah, and my account, what was my account? At Lila Sloan Bush
on TikTok.
And also follow Minnie1229, my best friend. So yeah, so
and are you gonna say your Instagram and Snapchat?
I said Instagram, but I don't want everybody following me on Snapchat. So yeah. So and I need a lot more followers on TikTok.
No offense. Are you gonna chase me down and kill me?
No.
Okay, good.
So and make sure go follow my TikTok account because
she's very famous.
I'm not famous yet, but I'm trying to get famous because I put so much work into my videos, crazy.
And famous people just do one movement, for example, they hit the wall like that.
Yeah, and then they're done.
That, and they get so many likes. And if you don't have TikTok, then don't listen to what we're saying. But if you do, you need to go follow Lila Sloan
and Natalie. We need to get her famous. Oh, and my good friend Emmy.
Oh yeah, our best friend Emily. Oh no.
What?
I dropped my phone. Lila.
Uh-oh. What? It's fine.
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm having nightmares. I mean, what? No, I don't know. Guys, don't listen to me. Please.
It's 8 o'clock at night right now.
Actually, it's 9:16.
Yeah. So,
good
morning, good night, or good afternoon to people watching this video right now.
Wherever you are right now. In this world.
Did you guys see that in the mirror?
Yeah.
There's this thing in the mirror that when I look,
There's a what in the mirror?
There's this. Come here. Wait, no. There you go. No. I got it. So I don't know what was that. I'm what is that in the mirror?
Oh.
What? Is that me on?
So apparently at 10 p.m. there's thunderstorms. Not just 11 and 10.
What the? That literally just came out of my mouth.
Guys, I have a YouTube channel too, and don't mind my baby cringy videos. I'm gonna try to get back on YouTube because they won't let me on. So yeah, I'll tell you my account name later. Actually, I can tell you right now. But some of my videos are really cringy, and I was really young. So what are you doing in this video of slime? You have a mustache.
I know.
So guys, I know our videos on YouTube and everything aren't that advanced yet.
Yes, but we're gonna try to.
And I know we're just little 8 and 9-year-olds, but we'll do this.
Oh, and go follow Brian Beadham, please, because that's my best friend's dad. So yeah, and I'm in one of their videos too, the Christmas decoration one, and I broke an ornament, and it was at their house.
Wait, with who?
At Rachel. I broke an ornament at their house.
You showed me, or you told me.
Sorry, we were just on TikTok, and
Natalie, and I have the song that you duetted you stuck in my head.
Yeah. Natalie, how about you show them a tutorial how to do the emoji thing?
That would take forever.
I don't care.
I think they know. And if they don't, I'll do a separate video on that.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, go follow Ellie V Toys.
Background music.
Because that's my favorite.
Background music.
Let's make a TikTok on your iPad.
I'll make one. I'm doing this again. Why did you make that? Wait, what is that? What?
Oh, it's just stickers. Yeah, I'm at kind of an art table thing right now.
Alright, let me practice.
Wait, what? Were you filming me?
No. Well, yeah. Do it again.
Wait, no, redo that.
No.
Oh no, it's on my neck gown. Seriously, I'm getting slime off my nightgown. That's exactly why I'm wearing a nightgown. So we can always just. Oh, sorry. I had a recital day, so you're gonna see like my
Lila, wait, bye. Someone here.
Wait, there is. Oh, what?
Alright, go follow.
Great blooper too. Go follow, go follow. I don't even know what this channel is called yet.
You should put a picture.
I'm going to. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go because I need to go do stuff. But yeah.
And it's 9:20 at night.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'll be exact on that. 9:21. No, literally, it's 9:21. Where is it? Oh, focus. God dang it.
Oh no!
What? It's not bad.
Is there something on my neck?
Probably. 9:21, and I'm not lying. Okay, oh, Lila, it's. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'll show the camera. This is actually really funny. And if you didn't get to this point, if you're still watching this right now, I need to thank you. So if you're still watching this, just comment your name and we'll definitely, and your TikTok or whatever social media account if you even have one, and we'll like and follow you.
Or just
So,
comment it. Like,
yeah.
I don't care.
and I'm gonna try to get back onto my YouTube channel. So bye everyone.